today is Saturday. Good afternoon, Jax.
Hi guys.
So guys, ayan, nandito tayo sa road kasi ayan, nakita niyo mga pine trees dyan. Ayan, mga forest, bongacious, ang dami-dami. Nasa countryside kasi tayo, everybody. So today, Jax and I, where are we heading, Jax?
I think it's where the giant windmills are. I forget the name of the place. It's like a windmill drive. It's sort of near Tantanoola and Millicent in South Australia. So yeah, there's a lot of windmills that produce electricity, and this is like a tourist road, so you drive along it and there'll be the windmills beside the road. So it should be, yeah, quite a nice sight.
So,
Ayan.
So, ayan na nga guys. Ayan, nakita nyo, I will show you the road. So, ayan, may mga pine trees dyan. So, para tayo nasa gitna ng road, tapos may pine trees sa gilid, left and right guys. So, today is Saturday. It's weekend and it's 24 dito sa loob ng ating sasakyan. So, ayan yung ating GPS guys ng ating Googles talaga. Ayan, 6 minutes na lang tayo everybody. So, ayan, may mga fine forest dyan sa gilid-gilid. Ganyan dito sa South Australia guys. Ayan, medyo mga road talaga ay malalawak. Right, Jax?
Yes.
I tell them they have a lot of pine trees.
Oh yeah. Pine trees and forestry is like one of the biggest industries here in the Mount Gambier area. Be it Mount Gambier and sort of, yeah, Tantanoola, Woakwine and Canunda. Pretty much I go over trees, cut them down, replant them, and yeah, the cycle continues. So a lot of the pine trees here supplies Bunnings, Australia. They also export a lot international as well. So it's, yeah, very, very popular, and yeah, one of the biggest industries here in Mount Gambier or Limestone Coast area. This whole area, like each way coming out of Mount Gambier is just covered in these pine trees.
So, ayun na nga guys. So, every time they get rid of the pine trees, they always replanting again. Correct, Jack?
Yeah, and so by the time they move on to the next, they just keep moving on to the next part, and by the time they've exhausted all that, they'll come back to here again, and the trees will be fully grown. So, they've always like...
Circle.
Yeah. I forget what they call it. I don't know if it's like plantation timber, so... Yeah, they grow the trees, cut them down, replant them, and then when they come back again, they'll be fully grown and cut them down, and the cycle continues. So it's somewhat of a, you can probably say it's a renewable resource, because yeah, you can grow it and it's replanted. So you can see coming up the right-hand side, there's smaller versions, and they'll eventually grow into the full-size ones, but you can see that they do replant them over time.
So ayun guys, ayun nakita.
So it's not a Christmas tree farm, but it will be the same as the bigger trees there. So you can see they're growing bigger. They might go through there, maybe thin them out, or just check up on the growth of them. Maybe cut the grass down and stuff so they can grow tall, and then they'll eventually sort of come to the other sides there. So yeah, you can just see how many there actually is all in a row. Quite a lot. Aside from that, obviously you've got a lot of farms, so there's a lot of sheep there.
Yeah, a lot of sheep there guys. Sheep, cows.
Sheep. Yeah, cows. Yeah, that's pretty much, yeah, sheep and cows. You don't really see any goats or anything else. It's mostly just, yeah, those two. If you look at the distance, you can see the windmills already up to the left-hand side there.
So, ayun guys.
So obviously we're going to get a lot closer, but yeah, you can see from a distance.
We've been there before.
Yeah, correct, yes. Yeah, it's just like a tourist drive, but you can sort of get out and get a bit close to them, take photos, and yeah, it's just a nice drive. It's just a circular road, so the road right now, sort of, once you get onto the road with the windmills, it pretty much just takes you back onto sort of like the same highway. So it's just kind of like a loop road, and takes you kind of out near Millicent at the other end. So I just think here, this might be it. This might be it. I should actually put the GPS on again. I think if you follow the main road, I think it just takes us to Tantanoola anyway. Yeah.
Bulaga! Ayan na guys. So, ayan ulit. Mamaya ulit. Okay guys. So, sit back and relax lang kayo dyan for now. So, then...
Yes. Sit back and relax, and I'll figure out where I'm going, and then yeah, you can come with us for a drive.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. I think it's this way. Oh, probably has to be this way, because that way it looks like... see the back of them. And now we're here to the left.
It's so high.
Same from here. And you can sort of see how big they are.
Take a drive through beautiful South Australia and wind past the Woakwine Range Wind Farm for spectacular views of the countryside. Along the drive, you will view dozens of giant wood turbines which dot the landscape and generates power for the surrounding houses and businesses. On the drive, you will be able to view scores of wind turbines along the skyline with 123 towers visible along the landscape. Stop by Canunda and Lake Bonney, which is Australia's largest freshwater lake. You can get the wind farm by taking a drive down Lossie Road through farmlands and turn left at Canunda Frontage Road. The Woakwine Range Wind Farm is located near the Tantanoola caves, so make sure to stop by for a look at some of the most beautiful natural attractions in South Australia. Also, make sure to take a drive to the Canunda National Park, which is South Australia's second largest coastal park, stretches from South End to Carpenter Rocks along the beautiful limestone coast.
Probably all faces.
Okay guys, so ayun yung nakita natin kanina. Yan. Yung windmill. So windmill turbine farm guys. So ito. Enjoy this. So ayan siya guys. So ganyan siya. Yan. Yung windmill na nakita niyo. Meron sila dito. Tour ko kayo. Ito na itsura ng windmill. Yan. Diba laki? So ganyan yung pak. So yung pakpak. Diba ang haba niya. Pakpak. Diba ang haba. Diba ang haba guys. Dito naman yung mga langaw eh. Ang dami langaw eh. So that's it guys. That's our Woakwine Range Wind Farm Tourist Drive attraction. It's a scenic spot attraction for the tourists guys. So nakita nyo kanina, we go for drive and from left to right there's a big huge massive windmills na nakita nyo. It's very nice. Very beautiful. Para ka lang nasa north na nasa vegan lang ang eksena mo sa Philippines. So, meron dito yan sa South Australia, guys. So, there's, I think in South Australia, there's a three places na may mga windmills. So they're far away from houses. So sometimes yung mga windmill, they position it near in the sea or near in the coastline. Kasi nga kapag yung mga water waves, diba? Yung waves from the beach or from the sea, from the ocean, maganda yun kasi yun ang nagpapa-rotate sa mga windmills dito sa Australia. Ayun lang ang aking pagkakaalam, guys. So, nakita nyo, pwede rin pumasok sa taas. Jack said, I think they have a stair inside. And I show you earlier the sample, the big flap or what's that, the wings of the windmills na nakita nyo kanina. Ganun siya kahaba. As in, mahaba siya, malapad siya, guys. Very close up nating nakita kanina, guys. And it's a 31 minutes drive from our area. And the most important, guys, it's free! So, libre lang pumunta doon. Mag-drive kayo doon. Kung mapupunta kayo sa South Australia, guys. Ayun yung isa sa mga scenic spot, tourist na libre. So, madami pa libre ngayon na isasama ko kayo sa mga iba't ibang mga pasyalan dito sa South Australia. So, guys, ayun na nga. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you had fun in our windmills tourist drive attractions for today's video. So thank you very much for watching and thank you for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, bye.